Hey everyone! Today I'm going to break down a question I get asked a lot. Can I add a Visa gift card to PayPal? The answer is yes, and I'll show you how in just a few easy steps. First, you'll need to log into your PayPal account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create an account. It's free and super simple. Once you're logged in, head over to the Wallet section. You'll find it at the top of the page or in the menu if you're on mobile. Now click on Link a Card or Bank. This will bring up a new screen where you can enter your card details. Here's where you grab your Visa gift card. Enter the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit security code found on the back of the card. Then, click Link Card. PayPal might ask you to confirm your billing address. Just make sure it matches the address you registered with the gift card. If everything checks out, your Visa gift card should now be linked to your PayPal account. Remember, you can use this gift card for online purchases wherever PayPal is accepted. Just keep an eye on the balance, since transactions will be declined if the amount exceeds what's available on the card. And there you have it. Adding a Visa gift card to PayPal is quick and easy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.